Welcome to the session number 5 from the playlist of ray optics. The topic is reflection from a plane mirror. With reference to this point, I have written here 3 important points which will help us to understand this topic. So the first point here is that if a ray is incident on a plane mirror, then it suffers a deviation of pi minus 2i, where I is the angle of incidence. So this is the first important point. The second important point is that when a plane mirror is rotated in its plane by an angle theta, and here the object is fixed, then the reflected ray rotates in the same direction by an angle 2 theta. And the third important point is that if two plane mirrors are inclined to each other at an angle theta, then the total number of visible images formed of an object which is kept between them is equal to 360 divided by theta minus 1 if 360 divided by theta is even, and if 360 divided by theta is odd, then the number of visible images formed of that object which is kept between the two plane mirrors will be equal to 360 divided by theta minus 1 if the object is placed symmetrically, and it will be equal to 360 divided by theta if the object is placed asymmetrically. So these are the 3 important points with reference to this topic, that is reflection from plane mirror. And the fourth important point is that the radius of curvature of the plane mirror is infinity. So the focal length of the plane mirror will also be equal to infinity. So that is the fourth point. And in the next session now, I will be discussing about the reflection from a spherical mirror. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.